Hi everybody. Today we're going to talk about how we change a mixed number, which is shown here, into an improper fraction, shown here. And basically a mixed number is a combination of a whole number and a fraction together. And an improper fraction is a fraction where the top number or numerator, that's this number on the top, is bigger than the denominator or bottom number. Now, in order to change a mixed number to an improper fraction, we're going to use the technique shown in the box above. So what we do is we multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole number and then add the numerator at the top. So that gives us AC plus B. And then we divide by the denominator of the fraction. So a little diagram at the top shows us multiply in that direction and then add. So let's look at some examples of how we do this. Now, if we consider 1 2/3, we know that this is a mixed number because it's a combination of the whole number, the 1, and the fraction, which is the 2/3. So we multiply the 3 by the 1 and then add the top number, which is the 2, and then divide our answer by the denominator, which is the 3. So what does that give us? 3 multiplied by 1, which is 3. Then we add the top number, which is the numerator of the fraction, 2. Then we divide by the bottom number of the fraction, which is 3. So that gives us 5 over 3. Let's look at another example. If we consider 3 3/4, which again is a mixed number because we have a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So we're going to multiply these two numbers, 3 and 4, and add the 3. So that gives us 12, 3 times 4, plus 3, and we divide again by the denominator of the fraction, which is 4. So that gives us 15 over 4. If we look at one last example, let's consider 10 5/6. Again, we can see this is a mixed number. There's our whole number. There's our fraction, 5/6. We multiply these two, the 10 and the 6, and add the 5. So that's going to give us 60 plus 5. And we divide by the denominator of the fraction, which is 6. So that will give us 65 over 6. And as we can see, all of our three answers are improper fractions because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. 15 bigger than 4, 65 bigger than 6. So to recap, multiply the bottom number or the denominator of the fraction by the whole number and add the numerator. So that would give us A times C, or AC, plus the B, and we divide by the denominator of the fraction, which is C.